Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the session. Okay, so now everybody remembered we already completed the some functions like maths for category function, text category function, date category function. Okay, even in the last session, we started some statistical functions like sum if, average if, count if, and so on, right? Now, today we are going to learn the some advanced functions. In the sum if functions, there is an option C. When we use the sum if function, now I already given a one example of sum if function. What is the difference between sum if and sum ifs? Can anybody give me the explanation? What is the difference between the sum if and sum ifs function? Please. Bhargavi, you were there, na? What is the difference between sum if and sum ifs? Sum for all. No, 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 no. Not like that. Yes, yes, Suraj, correct. When there is a more than one condition, okay? When there is a more than one condition. For example, suppose in this example, in this example, we have two conditions. One is a like the one condition is a the sales should be greater than 5,000 and the category should be phones. So that's why we use here the sum ifs function. And sum ifs function takes the argument, shuffled argument, whatever the sum if function takes. Like for example, sum if function takes is equal to sum if, then criteria range. Now what is the criteria range? From where we need to check the condition, then criteria. Here we cannot mention more than one criteria, only one criteria should be there, one condition should be there, then sum range. Okay, this is the argument of sum if. But if you change the sum if function, instead of sum if, you are taking the sum ifs function because you have the multiple condition. Then the arguments will be shuffled like that. Sum range will, you have to mention the first. Okay, sum range will, you have to mention the first. Then criteria, range 1. In the previous function, sum if function, only the criteria range is mentioned. But here is a criteria range 1 and criteria 1. Then comma, again, okay, the spelling is mistake, so I need to check it out. Right, area. Okay, so this is the spell mistake was there. Okay, so criteria, criteria, then the second is criteria. Okay, the second is criteria. Now here in the next function, sum ifs function, the sum range, you have to mention the sum range first, then criteria range 1 and then criteria 1. Criteria is a nothing, it is as similar as the condition. You can mention here the condition also. Then condition range 2, then condition 2, condition 2, and so on. Is it any clear, like any more clarification you need? Any more clarification you need? Any more clarification you need? Okay, so I'm sure like some ifs is a clear. Now the next function we are going to learn today, this is the like a new function for the today's session, that is the if function. Now we are going to start the logical category. Okay, we are going to start the logical category. In a logical category, the first function is a if function. If, then the if function takes again the arguments, definitely conditions, because if means what? अगर ये होगा तो ये होना चाहिए, ये होगा तो ये होना चाहिए. तो if is it's need to mention the condition statements. So if the condition is true, then true statement. If the condition is false, then false statement. This is the one kind of if. This is the one kind of if. The next function again. Okay, first let me complete these functions by giving the practical example. For example, suppose here some if will give you the complete one result. Some if will give you the one result, but here you can, if you want to check the sales here, okay, here, then you can use the, in the column you can use the this function. For example, if the profit is greater than 0, then good performance, and if the profit is less than 0, then bad performance. Okay, so is equal to if. You need to mention the condition, and I already told you about the conditional operators. Which are the conditional operators? Anybody can explain which are the conditional operators? Which are the conditional operators, please? Please. Thank you, Chandrasekhar. Thank you. Thank you for the concentration on the class, because if you are getting the things, whatever I am telling here, so that's mean you are attentive in the class. So thanks for that. Anybody can give me the clarification about the, yes, greater than and less than. But Kritika, so many operators are there. Not only the greater than, less than. It is greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and equal to, and not equal to. Okay, I'm going to mention here. Conditional operators are those operators which we need to make the condition. So conditional operators. Conditional operators. Conditional operators. Okay. Now greater than, as the Kritika you mentioned here, but it is also greater than, equal to, and less than equal to. Okay, and less than equal to. Then not equal to, and equal to. These are the operators 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the 6 operators which we need to mention the conditions. Okay. Now suppose here we want to check the profit. We want to check the profit, whether it is profit or loss. We want to check whether it is profit or loss. So here check status. Okay, I'm going to create a one. I'm going to create a one column over here. Is equal to if. Is equal to if this is greater than 0, that's mean profit. And if it is less than 0, then loss. No need to mention the another condition. Why? Because condition have always two result, whether it is true or false. Then see, Do it. If you are doing the simultaneously, then do it. Clear? Who is doing simultaneously? Should I move for the next? If the if formula is clear, if function is clear. Shall I move for the next? Okay. Now, next formula is that is nested if. Okay. Now, how nested is if it work? What is the meaning of the nested if? Nested if means what? If we have the multiple condition, then. So, in case if you have the multiple condition, then is equal to if. Then first you have to mention the condition 1. Then condition 1 true statement. If the condition 1 is true, then what will be the true statement? But please don't mention here, don't specify the false statement. Again, you need to start the if. Then again condition 2, then true statement. Then again if. So in place of false statement, you should start the if. Then again condition 3, comma, true statement. Then comma if. Again condition 4, comma, true statement. Now suppose now you have the 4 conditions. You have the 5 conditions. Okay, like suppose if your profit is greater than 5,000, then it is a best performance. Okay, I should mention here. Okay, see, if the greater than 5,000, then best performance. Then if the greater than 4,000, then very good performance. Okay, then if the greater than 2,000, then good performance. If the greater than 500, then average performance. Okay, so definitely, if the we have the 5 result. In case greater than 5,000, then best performance. In case greater than 4,000, then good performance, very good performance. In case greater than 2,000, then good performance. In case greater than 500, then average performance. And if the less than 500, okay, then need improvement. So 5 results are there, 4 conditions are there. 4 conditions and 5 results. So how many if you need? You need only 4 if. To mention the 5 results, you need 4 if. For example, here is equal to if this is greater than 5,000, then best performance. Okay, then again if this greater than 4,000, then very good performance. Then again if it is greater than 2,000, then good performance. Then if this greater than 500, then average performance. Otherwise, need improvement. Now, the big question is how many brackets you have to close? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 brackets you have to close. Number of the brackets should be equal to the number of ifs. See. Now need improvement where it is written. Where it is written need improvement, where is loss? You can check. If it is, suppose it is 5,200, then best performance. Suppose it is 3,200, then very good performance. Good performance. Suppose it is 4,100, then very good performance. Suppose it is 700, then average performance. Is it clear? Anybody still wants to learn something in a if, huh? Please check the if formula, how it is run. Do it, please. Any confusion? Any confusion? Done, na? Okay. Now I'm going to give you the more understanding on if, huh? Suppose I am having the result of the students. Okay, so I need to make some data, and because we are the main fake data, so we can create the like that student 1 and double click. Serial number. Now subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, and everybody should create this kind of thing, huh? Okay, you need to submit it. First you should create simultaneously with me, and then you need to submit it. Okay, I'll give you at the end of the sessions, like maybe in the first week of August, I'll tell you about the email ID where you should submit the assignments. Is equal to rand between. This is just a sample. 20, 90. Then double click. Okay. And then double click. Right. Now, every time it will be changed as you already seen because the rand between is there. So, in the one subject is subject 5 is equal to rand between, this is of 50 marks. Okay. 10, 45. Double click. Now, first you have to fix because every time it will be changed when the sheet is refreshed. Then Control Shift C and home, then copy paste. I told you about the copy paste special. Okay. Then paste special and paste values so that the formula will be removed from here. Hai na? Now I need to calculate the total marks. Total marks is equal to sum. Enter. This is my total marks. Okay. And the out of these marks are out of 450. And then I need to check whether the student is pass or fail. Pass or fail. Then is equal to if the total marks is greater than 200, 225. Then it is pass. Otherwise it is fail. Is it clear? And then I need to calculate the percentage. How I can calculate the percentage is equal to this divided by this, and there should be the dollar sign. These are the percentage. Double click. And then I should set it in the percent format. Okay. Is it? Is it? Anybody have some doubt regarding this? Whatever I created the mark sheet over here. Anybody have some doubt? Definitely in your result and in my result, there will be the difference because we have taken a marks with rand between function. Okay, so just you have to take the marks with rand between. Just take please immediately. Do it fast. Do it fast. Make this kind of statements in your PC. Chandrasekhar, make this statement in your PC. Yes, Jyotirmay, last is the black always be. Last is the black always be. Now just create this kind of statement. Please do fast. Completed? Is it? Shall I move ahead? Chaitanya, what exactly you want? Sample? See, this is the global sample superstore which is available on net. I instructed you to download from the net. Okay. Now the next is, this is a very simple, okay. I used here the single if. But in case of nested if, for example, I want to provide here the grade. Okay. Now I have the multiple conditions for grade. I have the multiple conditions for grade. Like if it is greater than 80%, then first class. Okay. And then you should select the ST and control 1. Make the font to super script. In a word, I told you about this. Okay. Now, second and third class. If it is greater than 70%, then second class. If it is greater than 60%, then third class. And if it is greater than 50%, then pass. Otherwise, fail. So how many if I need? How many if I need? Because I have 5 results. Please tell me how many if I need? Please, students, mention. Please answer the question. How many if I need? Yes, I need a 4 if because 5 answers are there. So how I can apply this? Is it gradually? This is known as a nested if. If this is greater than 80%, then if you wish, then you can link it, comma. If this is greater than 70%, then second class, then comma. If this is greater than 60%, then third class, comma. If this is greater than 50%, then pass. And otherwise, fail. Then 4 brackets, 2, 3, 4. And Jyotirmay, I saw your question. The last bracket is always be in the black color. because it all, yes, correct. It is always be in the black color. It is showing you in the colors. Okay, then enter. Now see. Is it clear? Is it clear? You can check. Huh? Shall I move for the next? See, first you should check the results. How many results you have? How many results you have? You have 5 results. See here. So always with the one, just -1, and then number of ifs is 4. Number of ifs definitely 4. Now Excel 365, like Excel after 2016 onwards, they introduced the new function, that is ifs. Nested if and if both are the same thing, but the argument is different. Argument means here we need a number of if 4, but here we need a number of results, number of conditions. So is equal to ifs. Is equal to ifs. Now ifs means there is no need to mention here the multiple if, only one if, ifs. Then if it is greater than 80%, then first class. Okay, all conditions you have to mention, comma, if, oh no, if, sorry, huh? If, now the second condition is this greater than 70%, then second class, then again comma, then again logical test 3 means condition 3. This greater than 60%, then again comma, third class $4 $sign. Okay, then next, the next is if this is greater than 50%, then pass. Now you have to mention the next condition also. If this is less than 50%, then fail. Only one bracket should be there. See? Same result is there, but here I used ifs. This is the new functions available in 2016 and later on. Previously, this function was not there. So previously we used to do this thing, but still we can use this. But if you want to use the new formula, then this is the new formula. Is it clear? Done na? Next, ifs are ifs. That is the new function. Ifs, that is the new function. Okay. Done. Okay. Now one more thing. Suppose we have the taxable income is equal to rand between 2,50,000 to 18 lakh. Then just drag it. Control C, Alter Control V. That is a shortcut key for the pay special invariant. Is it? Now we want to calculate the tax. So how we can calculate the tax with the help of if condition is equal to if. Suppose my slab rate is, if it is 0 to 2,50,000, then nil. 250 to 5, then 250 to 5, then 5% plus. Then this greater than, you should start with higher. If it is greater than 10 lakh, then this minus 10 multiplied by 30% plus 1,12,500, comma. If इसीलिए तो घर पे करेंगे कि मुझे जाती नहीं। This greater than 5 lakh, then this minus 5 multiplied by 20% plus 12,500. If this greater than 2,50,000, then this minus 250 multiplied by 5%. Otherwise 0. 1, 2, 3. See, now tax is there. Any doubt? We can do. See why I provide here this example, because you should understand with the help of if condition you can do the lots of calculations also. You can do the lots of calculations. Do it, please. If you are not doing, then you can take the screenshot. So now the next is, after completing this, like this kind of calculation, you can use, so instead of if, you can use the ifs also. Okay. Now the thing is, we already learned the m round function, if you remembered. We already learned the m round function, if you remembered. Remembered or not? We learned the m round function. M round. Who can give me the explanation of m round? Zero before the bracket. See, before the bracket, why we need to put the zero? Because we want 4 result. If it is greater than 2,50,000, then 5%. But if it is less than 2,50,000, then 0. So that's why here we need to put a 0. Okay, this is the false statement. Yeah, Excel automatically close the required brackets. Yes, Chandrasekhar, it is right. Now, what m round function does? Please like give me the clarification. m round function क्या करता है बताएं? m round function क्या करता है बताइए? Anybody can give me the explanation? Okay, fine. No issue. See, what m round does? M round the number in the multiples of whatever we mention. Here, we need to calculate the tax. And as per the department, income tax department, the tax should be in the multiple of tens. So you have to put a m round here. Outer side, you have to put the m round. And then comma. 10. Enter. See, now your all the tax will be round in the multiples of 10. All the your tax will be multiple of tens. Is it clear? M round is clear. Should I move for the next? Should I move for the next? Now, if condition is almost, the practical of if is almost the completed. Single if and nested if. Now I'm going to give you the explanation on and or. But make sure this is complete. No, not its nearest, in the multiple of Chandrasekhar. It will gives you the number in the multiple of whatever you mention, according to the significance. Okay. Now the next is, now there is a one function that is AND function, which comes under this category also. Okay, in this category. See, the function is AND function. AND function. The result is always with a true or false. Condition 1, comma, condition 2, and so on. N number of conditions you can mention. As per the manual, you can mention the 428 conditions. Okay, so you can say the N number of conditions you can mention. For example, suppose, this is Global Superstore. Okay. Now you want, if it is New York City, then the profit should be the greater than 1,000. Okay, I should like New York State, country. See here. Okay. So I want if the category is phones, then the sales should be greater than 5,000, whether it is true or false, is equal to, and this should be phones, and this should be greater than 5,000. Both the conditions are not true. But if one of the condition is true, then again it is giving me false. Why? Because it is checking this is not phone. Na? If this is phones, then maybe spelling is there. 5,001. Is it? It will check the multiple conditions simultaneously. एक साथ सारी conditions को check करता है ये. Anybody have some doubt regarding this? Then I am telling you the one very important use of this if and AND combination. Okay, for example, suppose we are having the mark sheet over here. Okay. Right, we are having the mark sheet. Now, if you are consulting on the class, then definitely one question is there in your mind. See, this student is pass. Okay, this student is pass. But here it is. Just need to check. See, this student is pass, but in one subject, he's not getting pass because out of 100, there should be the 33%, like 35 maximum minimum marks. He need 35. But still he is mentioning here the pass. Why here it is a pass? Because it is checking only this. It is not checking this. So here I can use the AND function is equal to if and H3 greater than 25, comma, min of these subjects. Okay, min of these subjects should be greater than equal to 33. And this subject should be, because this is out of 50, so this subject should be greater than 20 marks. Then put a close bracket for the if, then you can. Now the, see, most of the see, now it is fail. Here it is pass, but here it is fail. Why? Because he also got the, in a one subject, he didn't cross the criteria. In a one subject, he is getting 24 marks, while he needs 30 to get greater than 33 marks. Is it clear? Please check. Please check, students. Okay, check it, please. Just check it, please. And do it yourself. Huh? Unless until you are not doing the hands-on practice is not there, then you cannot understand. Try to understand the formula, and then if there any query is there, then please raise the query. Please answer the queries. Whether you are getting or not, please answer me. Any doubt? Otherwise, I am moving ahead. Okay. How to remove the rand function? Debajyoti, to remove the rand function. Okay, I'm giving you the example. Okay, no issue. See, is equal to rand between 20 comma 90. And suppose I drag it, but all the numbers will be refreshed every moment, because when the sheet is refreshed. Now I want to remove the formula, then Control C, go to the paste special, and there is an option of values. Then see, now formula is not there, only value is there. Is it, Devjyoti? Okay. Rest students, please give me the clean chat if you are understand or not, if you are getting or not. Okay. Is it clear? Shall I move for the next? Shall I move for the next? Okay. So do this example by yourself and send it to me when I'll give you the one email ID. Okay. This is the, like, just name it the mark sheet. Name it the mark sheet. Use the if and formula, combination of if and nested if. Okay. So same thing we can use here. If then and then comma min of all four should be the greater than 33. One more condition, this should be greater than 20. Then this is 70%. Okay. Now, again, this is 60%. Then here, this is 50%. See, then double click. Now this is also fail. Now, previously it was giving me the pass. Now it is fail. Why it is fail? Because in a one of the subject, he also got the less marks. Same thing is here. Suppose this is pass, but in a one of the subject, like in here he got the 19 pass. So he's not pass. Now he is fail. But here it is giving me third class because here in the formula haven't applied the conditions of minimum. But here it is applied. See. So gradually you have to write this kind of things like formulas. So just take the screenshot and try to understand the things. Is it clear? Clear? Should I move for the next? Understood. Na? Thank you, Mamta. Do you use the if nested if with end condition end function? Who used the nested if with end? Answer me, please. Who used the nested if with end? Chandrasekhar, Mamta, Devjyoti. So many students are here. It's not possible to call out the every student's name. Is it clear? मैम सब अच्छे से समझ आ गया। ओके विनीत, थैंक यू। So shall I move for the next? Is it clear now? Okay, now the next function is a very important function, you know, that is a rank function. As the name suggests, rank, क्या होती है rank बताइए? What is a rank? Rank. Rank means according to the fulfill condition, you have to provide the first, second, third, है ना? जैसे यहाँ पे दिया है ना first class, second class, third class. बट आप चाहते हो रैंक देना, तो रैंक और इफ कंडीशन में डिफरेंस है ना? रैंक क्या होता है, सब में से दिया जाता है, पर पास फेल या इफ कंडीशन आप सिंगल नंबर से देते हो. सो हियर यू हैव टू मेंशन द नंबर, किसको रैंक देनी है, देन आउट ऑफ विच रेंज यू वांट टू प्रोवाइड द नंबर, एंड इफ इट इज असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, नाउ सी, पहले सिंपल एग्जांपल देख लो. हियर आई एम हैविंग मार्क्स. ओके, अब मुझे क्या करना है, इसमें रैंक देनी है. तो कितनी, 4 रैंक आएगी ना, 1 2 3 4, 4 रैंक आएगी. इज इक्वल टू रैंक, इसको देनी है आउट ऑफ दिस, एंड देयर शुड बी द डॉलर साइन, क्योंकि ये रेंज चेंज नहीं होनी चाहिए. एंड कौन से ऑर्डर में देनी है, डिसेंडिंग में. तो इसकी रैंक कौन सी आ रही है, 4, है ना? और ये है आपके 82 मार्क्स. नाउ सी, इज इट? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड प्लीज. Is it clear? Points into percentage. See, ये आपका 0.09 है. And just select it and then go to the home and there is an option of percent format. ये रहा. अब इसके डेसिमल इंक्रीज करने हो तो ये यहाँ से डेसिमल भी ले लो. Is it? और suppose is equal to 45 divided by 90, है ना? So I can provide here the. अब सपोज करो 47 42 है, तो फिर आपका डेसिमल पॉइंट भी आएगा, तो फिर आप क्या करिए, इसको इंक्रीज कर लीजिए. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? देवज्योति, समझ आया? सो रैंक इज क्लियर. नाउ आई वांट टू प्रोवाइड हियर द 3 रैंक. मुझे 3 रैंक देनी है, 3 रैंक देनी है. ओके, सिर्फ 3 रैंक देनी है. तीन रैंक देनी है. तो अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब आपको 3 रैंक चाहिए तो 3 रैंक देनी हो, तो 3 क्या चाहिए, 3 आपके टॉप मार्क्स चाहिए. आर यू गेटिंग? 3 टॉप मार्क्स. तो 3 टॉप मार्क्स कैसे निकलते हैं वो भी देख लो. अब जैसे मुझे इसमें से सिर्फ 3 टॉप मार्क्स चाहिए, तो कैसे निकालेंगे, इज इक्वल टू, देयर इज अ वन फंक्शन. ओके, पहले उस फंक्शन को भी देख लेते हैं. पहले हम रैंक के पहले हम उस फंक्शन को देखते हैं. देयर इज अ लार्ज फंक्शन, रेंज, देन कॉमा, नंबर. कौन से पोजीशन का चाहिए आपको, है ना? तो कैसे देंगे, देखो. अब इसको कैसे करेंगे, मुझे इसमें 3 रैंक चाहिए ना, 1,2,3 चाहिए। तो इज इक्वल टू लार्ज, देन दिस कॉमा 1, ये फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट आ गया, और इसको क्या करिए डॉलर साइन के साथ फिक्स कर दीजिए। देन ये देखिए, अब ये 1 ही क्यों है, क्योंकि ये हाथ से लिखा है, इसको आप 1,2,3 कर दीजिए। देखिए फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट, सेकेंड हाईएस्ट एंड थर्ड हाईएस्ट, इन तीनों को रैंक दे देंगे आप। तो आप कैसे करेंगे देखें, सबसे पहले तो आप 3 हाईएस्ट नंबर्स निकालेंगे, है ना, टॉप 3 निकालेंगे, टॉप 3 इज इक्वल टू, अब टॉप 3 निकालने के लिए भी आपको क्या चाहिए भाई, वो पास तो होना चाहिए, तभी तो आप टॉप उसी के ही तो आप निकालेंगे ना। सबसे पहले हम यहां से ले लेते हैं लार्ज, देन कंप्लीट रेंज कॉमा 1, है ना, और उसके बाद ये 3 ले लेते हैं, यहाँ ले लीजिए 2, यहाँ ले लीजिए 3। राइट, अब इसको रैंक प्रोवाइड करेंगे, इज इक्वल टू रैंक, इन तीनों में से रैंक दोगे, ठीक है, किसको देना है, पहला नंबर सिलेक्ट कर लो, अम्मा, और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ये दो, इज इट, इन दोनों को 2-2 आएगी ना, क्योंकि दोनों के नंबर सेम है ना, थर्ड रैंक नहीं आएगी। इज इट क्लियर? सो हम अब इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, रैंक निकालने के लिए के साथ इफ कंडीशन भी यूज कर सकते हैं। कैसे, अब यहीं पे ही रैंक देनी है इनको, तो इज इक्वल टू इफ, ठीक है, इसका जो मार्क है किसका, इसका, है ना, इफ इट इज इक्वल टू, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू, चलो ठीक है, आप इधर मत दीजिए, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज, क्योंकि फॉर्मूला थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा। इज इट क्लियर, द रैंक इज क्लियर और नॉट? हाउ आई एक्सपेक्टेड द फर्स्ट टॉप 3 एंड देन रैंक, पहले टॉप 3 निकालेंगे फिर रैंक देंगे। क्लियर ना? Should I move for the next? रैंक समझ में आ गया, रैंक अगेन, ओके ओके कृतिका, सी पहले तो समझो कि रैंक क्या होती है। कोई भी आपके पास एक नंबर का सेट है, जैसे ये नंबर है ना आपके पास, ये नंबर का सेट है ना, अब आपको इसको क्या करना है, इज इक्वल टू, इज इक्वल टू, अब इन रैंक का मतलब क्या है, इनमें पहला कौन है, दूसरा कौन है, तीसरा कौन है, पर मुझे तो सिर्फ 3 चाहिए था, इसलिए मैंने 3 निकाली, बट ठीक है, इज इक्वल टू रैंक, किसको रैंक देनी है, इसको, किस में से देनी है, इस पूरे में से, देन कॉमा डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, डिसेंडिंग मींस टॉप टू बॉटम, जिसके हाईएस्ट है उसी को 1 नंबर मिलेगा ना। कृतिका, मैं कंफर्म, जस्ट गिव मी द कंफर्मेशन वेदर यू आर गेटिंग और नॉट, कंफर्मेशन दो कि समझ में आया कि नहीं। Is it clear? Okay. Okay. So same thing I expected here. मैंने यहाँ पे भी तो निकाल लिया ना रैंक, पर रैंक के पहले मैंने क्या किया, टॉप 3 निकाल लिए, टॉप 3 निकाल ली और उसको रैंक प्रोवाइड कर दी। और वैसे ही हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी ले सकते हैं, इज इक्वल टू इफ, है ना, अगर ये दिस ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू लार्ज कॉमा 1, अगर ये सबसे बड़ा है, ठीक है, सबसे बड़ा है, तो इसको क्या दे दे, तो इसको फर्स्ट रैंक दे दे, फर्स्ट रैंक, है ना। फिर एक और इफ ले लो, इफ दिस ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू लार्ज कॉमा 2, देन इसको क्या दे दे, सेकेंड रैंक, और नहीं तो सेकेंड रैंक, है ना, और नहीं तो फिर एक और इफ दिस ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू लार्ज, अब इन सब में से कॉमा 3, ओके, देन यू शुड प्रोवाइड द थर्ड रैंक, और अगर इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं है तो खाली छोड़ दे, अभी खाली छोड़ दिया ना, है ना, ये रैंक देखो सब जगह खाली है, लेकिन कहाँ पे इसने रैंक दी है, सेकेंड रैंक कौन है, ये है ना सेकेंड रैंक, और ये फर्स्ट रैंक इधर था ना, देखो आप 306 फर्स्ट रैंक था ना, और फिर ये सेकंड रैंक है, क्यों, क्योंकि सेम नंबर है, थर्ड रैंक आएगा ही नहीं। हाँ, द मोमेंट ये अगर आपका ये एक कम हो जाएगा तो अपने आप थर्ड रैंक हो जाएगा, सी। इज इट क्लियर? मतलब इतना, अगर आप सपोज यू आर अटेंडिंग, यू आर अटेंडिंग द डेली माई क्लास, सो आपको इतना आना चाहिए, अगर आप मेरी क्लास आते हैं और अटेंडेड रहते हैं तो आपको इतना आना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई यूज टू गिव द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ इनर एंड आउटर फंक्शन में, ऐसे सब कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फंक्शंस में सिखाती हूँ क्लास में जरूर, एंड दिस विल द वेरी हेल्पफुल वाइल डूइंग द प्रैक्टिकल वर्क, ये आपको बहुत काम आएगा जब आप प्रैक्टिकल वर्क करोगे। आया क्या समझ में? आई थिंक सो एवरीबडी इज डूइंग, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी आंसर। सब कर रहे हैं क्या, मेरे को आंसर नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी। हो गया? रैंक इन लार्ज फंक्शन नहीं समझ आया? ओके देवज्योति, ओके ओके। सी इफ H3, पहले तो रैंक और लार्ज फंक्शन समझो क्या करते हैं ना। लार्ज विल गिव, सी अगर मेरे पास सपोज एक सेट है कोई भी, है ना, एंड दिस वन, देन अगर आपको इनमें सबसे बड़ा चाहिए तो देयर इज अ वन फंक्शन दैट इज मैक्स फंक्शन विच वी ऑलरेडी क्लियर, हमने पहले ही लर्न कर लिया, इज इक्वल टू मैक्स, है ना। अब ये मैक्स क्या करता है, सबसे पहला लार्जेस्ट दे देता है, पर मुझे पहला लार्जेस्ट नहीं चाहिए, मुझे पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग लार्जेस्ट चाहिए, तो क्या करेंगे, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या यूज करना पड़ता है, लार्ज, out of which you want to extract the large number. This is your array, it should be fixed. Why it should be fixed, I told you earlier. अगर आप इसको फिक्स नहीं करेंगे तो ये रेंज चेंज करता जाएगा। देन कॉमा 1, सबसे पहला अरे आप सबसे बड़ा आ जाएगा। फिर आप क्या करो, अब इसमें आपको दूसरा बड़ा चाहिए, तो आप क्या करो, यहां से दूसरा बड़ा ले लो। फिर आपको इसमें तीसरा बड़ा चाहिए, फिर आपको यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, तीसरा बड़ा। तो ये तीन, आपको लार्ज फंक्शन क्या करता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजिशन इट विल रिटर्न यू द नंबर्स। इज इट क्लियर देवज्योति? अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजिशन इट विल गिव्स यू द नंबर। ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजिशन इट विल गिव्स यू द लार्जेस्ट नंबर, एंड इसी का अपोजिट होता है स्मॉल नंबर। देवज्योति प्लीज कंफर्म, समझ आया कि नहीं? देवज्योति प्लीज, फिक्स कैसे करते हैं, प्रेस F4 की टू डॉलर साइन। देखो फिर से समझो, है ना, फिर से समझो। अगर मैंने इसको फिक्स नहीं किया, लार्ज, सी दिस इज माय अरे, कॉमा 1, अगर मैंने इसको फिक्स नहीं किया तो ये मुझे गलत आंसर देता है, 89 89 89। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या है, AA3 टू AA7 में देख रहा है, और यहाँ क्या करेगा, AA4 में। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू फिक्स इट। और फिक्स करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, F4 की, F4 की। और अगर आपने पहली बार ही F4 कर दी होती तो दो बार आपको प्रेस नहीं करना पड़ता। इज इक्वल टू लार्ज selected and press F4. F4 is a shortcut key, comma 1, see। अब ये 1 की जगह आपको क्या चाहिए, 2, 2 की जगह थी आपको 3, 3 चाहिए, ये दो। इज इट देवज्योति, इज इट क्लियर? कंप्लीट हो गया? गॉट इट ना देवज्योति? ओके देवज्योति, डू वन थिंग, ज्योतिर्मय डू वन थिंग, जो भी आपने फंक्शन लिखा है ना उसकी कॉपी करके आप मैसेज में डालिए. जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट इट इन योर मैसेज सो दैट आई कैन लाइक अंडरस्टैंड कि वो नेम की एरर क्यों दे रहा है. Ma'am, do you have to put manually? Nee, see, if you don't want to put the manually, then 1, 2, 3. नहीं, आपको ये तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा ना कि आपको कौन सा नंबर का बड़ा चाहिए. या तो आप इधर लिखेंगे या आप अंदर लिखेंगे, एक ही बात है. So you should create the dependency. Jyotirmay, please copy your function in the question and answer box. Okay, see, name, okay, fine, fine. Before that, ना everything हमने सब तो पढ़ लिया, पर हम ये भी पढ़ लेते कि कब कौन सी error आती है. See, when your function return you the name error. So try to understand, जब आपको ये error आती है ना तो आप इसको समझने की कोशिश करिए. Why it is giving you this error? क्योंकि is equal to sum. है ना? ये क्यों एरर आ रही है? क्योंकि आपने नाम गलत दे दिया. समटाइम्स आपने कभी फंक्शन का नाम गलत दे दिया होगा या कहीं आपने सेल का नाम गलत दे दिया होगा, तो आपको ये एरर आएगी. चेक करिए ज्योतिर्मय. Shall we move for the next? Make sure like जो ये प्रीवियस में कराया ये सब समझ में आ गया. क्लियर ना? ओके, हो गया हो गया. ओके फाइन, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, appreciated ना, you are giving me the fast reply. Is it? Fine. Okay. Now the next is, see, we learn the rank function large and then the opposite of large is small. Same thing, range, comma, position. कौन से position का small चाहिए? Comma, this is the optional argument. कौन से order में चाहिए? Is it? Next. In the next function is again a very important, that is sum product. Sum product है ना. अब sum product क्या करता है आप समझे. Range 1, okay, array 1, comma array 2, जितना भी देना है दे दो, पर ये आखिर करेगा क्या. As the name suggests, product का meaning क्या होता है. Multiplication. For example, here is a item rate, यहाँ पे quantity है QTY है ना. यहाँ पे item rate है आपका 12, 34, 56, 78, 23, 45. And the quantity is 5, 7, 10, 12, 34, 56 है ना. अब आप मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे. इज इक्वल टू दिस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस एंड देन, और अब यहाँ क्या ले लेंगे, इसका टोटल ले लेंगे, सम ले लेंगे ना. बट इतना कुछ करने की जगह आप क्या करो, डायरेक्टली यू कैन यूज द सम प्रोडक्ट. सम प्रोडक्ट, सी दिस कॉमा दिस, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर प्लीज. 5096. देखो 5096. Is it clear? Sum product. This is a very important function. बहुत अच्छा function है ये, करिएगा जरूर प्लीज. Sum product. Do it. Come on fast. Complete. Is the sum product is complete? आंसर दो. चंद्रशेखर, ज्योतिर्मय, कार्तिक, कृतिका. Is the sum product is completed? Is the sum product is completed? Done, na? Okay. See where you can use this thing. Suppose you have like quantity over here, okay? Then rate quantity, and then suppose cost. The rate is 12, 15, 17, 20, 25 है ना? अभी तो क्वांटिटी कुछ भी नहीं है आपके पास. Next, the cost is 10, 8, 7, 9, 10. Okay. Now, total cost, total value. Total cost कैसे आएगी? Is equal to this multiplied by this. Then it's equal to this multiplied by quantity. ये आपकी टोटल कॉस्ट आएगी. अभी तो आपकी क्वांटिटी है ही नहीं आपके पास. सेम थिंग इज अ वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू रेट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय क्वांटिटी. अब आपको यहाँ पे निकालना है टोटल प्रॉफिट. ठीक है. अब आपकी जो क्वांटिटी है, सपोज करो यहाँ पे आपके पास 100 है, 120 है, 100 है, 150 है, और यहाँ पे 200. तो आपको ये क्या आ गया? टोटल वैल्यू आ गया, है ना? टोटल वैल्यू आ गया. प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालोगे आप? प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालेंगे? इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू माइनस कॉस्ट. तो ये प्रॉफिट आ गया आपका. ठीक है. ये आपके क्या आ गया? प्रॉफिट आ गया. अब आप क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें? यहाँ पे आप क्या निकाल सकते हो? कंट्रीब्यूशन. व्हाट इज द कंट्रीब्यूशन? इज इक्वल टू दिस माइनस दिस. दिस इज योर कंट्रीब्यूशन, है ना? अब कंट्रीब्यूशन का क्वांटिटी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई क्या आएगा? टोटल प्रॉफिट आएगा. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट एक साथ कैसे आ जाएगा? इज इक्वल टू सम प्रोडक्ट. किसका? कंट्रीब्यूशन का, कॉमा क्वांटिटी का. ये टोटल प्रॉफिट आ गया. इसका टोटल कर लो, एक ही आएगा ना. इज इट? ये समझ आया? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड फंक्शन, यू नो, सम प्रोडक्ट. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. कृतिका, जिया, ज्योतिर्मय, ऐसा स्टेट इससे ये बना लो प्लीज जल्दी से. Shall I move for the next? Anybody have some query? So some product is finished, right? Any query, please? Any query? Any query? Done. Okay. Thank you, Raja. Jyotirmay completed, na? Like you asked me the like. Okay, okay. I got the thing. Okay. Any question? Very good. Very good. So I'm very happy ना आप लोग सब साथ में कर भी रहे and then you are properly answering me. This is a good thing. Very good. So we learned that today the lot, if, nested if then combination of and, then ifs function also, then large, then small, then rank function, in the end some product function. So I hope ki like everything you got the things whatever I gave you the understanding. Now please, as I already told you earlier, create this mark sheet. Create this mark sheet, use all the functions which I told you in this format also, and then save it. Just keep a one, like create a one folder with my name in your system. और जितने भी assignment है आप मेरे folder में just save it in my folder, and then at the end of the like sessions, maybe in the first week of August, I'll tell you about the email ID. And then you need to submit all the assignment on that email ID. Okay. Is it clear? So well, I'll not take the assignment. I'll not accept the assignment in between of the classes. We'll accept only the assignment at the end of the classes. Will not accept the assignment in between of the classes. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for the patience listening. Bye and take care. Bye.